Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make informed purchasing decisions. Today we have two exciting drones to compare: the Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone and the DyineeFy mini drone. Let's see how they stack up against each other in various categories. So without further ado, let's dive into the comparisons. When it comes to design and features, both drones have their own unique qualities. The Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone features a webbed shell design, which not only protects hands, walls, and furniture from the propellers, but also adds durability to the drone. On the other hand, the DyineeFy mini drone boasts a captivating array of LED lights that create a mesmerizing flying experience for kids, both indoors and outdoors. In terms of flight performance, the Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone is equipped with smart obstacle avoidance motion sensors, allowing you to guide its flight using your hand. It's perfect for playing catch with family and friends, and you can even catch it hamburger style once you're done. Meanwhile, the DyineeFy mini drone offers features like headless mode, altitude hold, and 360-degree flips. These features enable acrobatic maneuvers and provide a thrilling flying experience. Now, let's talk about battery life. The Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone provides approximately 8 minutes of flight time with every 50 minutes of charge. On the other hand, the DyineeFy mini drone offers a continuous flight time of 8 to 15 minutes with a single charge. Both drones come with rechargeable batteries, ensuring extended periods of flight entertainment for kids. When it comes to ease of use, both drones have user-friendly features. The Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone is designed for kids and kids at heart. It's a great beginner drone that's easy to operate. The DyineeFy mini drone features a one-key takeoff landing function, making it effortless to ascend or descend. Additionally, it has a one-key return feature, ensuring a carefree flying experience for kids and beginners alike. Safety is always a priority, especially when it comes to drones. The Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone's webbed shell design adds an extra layer of protection, making it safer for both the drone and the people around it. The DyineeFy mini drone, on the other hand, comes with high-quality ABS materials and 4 sturdy propeller guards, providing enhanced protection and preventing potential harm to hands and bodies. And there you have it, the comparison between the Force1 Scoot hand-operated drone and the DyineeFy mini drone. Both drones have their own unique features and qualities, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Remember, at Buy Smart, we've got your back when it comes to smart shopping. See you next time.